welcome to the screencast on creating collections in Transana. When you analyze text data in Transana, you select an interesting or important bit of text from a document and you create a quote from it. When you analyze media data, you select an interesting or important portion of a media file from an episode and you create a clip from it. When you analyze still image data, you create and manipulate snapshots. In Transana, there are two overlapping ways of indicating the analytic significance of these bits of data. One option you have for indicating what a particular quote or clip or snapshot means, how it fits in with the rest of your analysis, is by grouping it with other bits of data that fall into the same category or have a similar meaning within your overall understanding of your data. The way you group analytic items in Transana is by creating named collections and storing similar quotes, clips, and snapshots in them. Different collections represent different concepts, and with a bit of work, your collection structure can end up being a representation of your theoretical understanding of your data. Collections don't always start out with that kind of theoretical significance, but they often end up that way. The other way you assign meaning to your quotes, clips, and snapshots is through coding them with keywords. A keyword is a tag that you add to analytic data items in Transana that indicates something that you think is interesting or important about that data item. It helps to understand that the analytic act of putting a bit of analytic data in a collection and of assigning a keyword to a bit of analytic data both serve the same function. The collection that contains the data and the keyword assigned to the data both indicate something that's important about that piece of data. These two ways of indicating analytic significance have slightly different advantages and disadvantages. Transana supports both mechanisms because different researchers, different qualitative methodologies, and even different phases of the analytic process seem to derive a bit of extra benefit from one approach or the other at different times. Many researchers end up using a combination of both systems. There isn't a right way or a wrong way of analyzing data within Transana, and you can often reach the same analytic conclusion several different ways. It's up to you to figure out what works best for you.